Saving and investing, they probably sound like the same thing, right? Well, let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Connor.
And I'm Nicole. In this video, we'll break down the difference between saving and investing.
So, saving and investing, they probably sound like the same thing, right? Well, let's talk about it. Saving is putting your money aside for when you need it in the future. Let's say you have a $100 bill. You can put this in your bank account, under your mattress, or in your piggy bank. That is considered saving.
As opposed to spending it on something now, you're instead opting to set it aside for when you need it in the future. When you save, your money is safe, and that same $100 bill will be there for you to grab for whenever you need it more than you do right now.
But what if that $100 bill had the potential to be more in the future? This potential opportunity is why we may choose to invest.
Investing is putting your money to work so that it can grow, with the goal that it can become more money than you put away today. What does this look like, putting your money or your resources to work through investing?
So let's say you have 10 watermelon seeds, your prized possessions. You love your seeds so much, of course you would love the opportunity to have more seeds in the future than you do right now. So what do? You plant them, you put them to work, you invest them.
You've planted your seeds. Time passes and you get a lot of great sunshine and a lot of great rain. So you watch patiently as the seeds grow into full watermelons. While watermelons will grow, your prized possessions are the seeds. So when you crack open your watermelons, you find that the 10 seeds have turned into 14, 4 more than what you started with.
You're overjoyed. What's next? Maybe your goal from the beginning was to have 14 seeds, and congratulations, through investing, you did it. But maybe your goal is many seasons ahead, and you'd like to keep planting, keep investing. So you take your now 14 seeds, plant them in the ground, and repeat the process.
More great weather and time passes until your next harvest of watermelon are ready. This time, you crack them open to find 20 seeds.
That's 6 more than when you planted this time.
But wait, during the first season you gained 4 seeds, and the second season you gained 6 seeds. How does that work?
Look, the trick here is that in the first season we planted our original 10 seeds, and from those 10 we grew 4 more. In the second season, not only did we plant our original 10 seeds, but we also chose to plant or invest our additional 4 seeds. This time we had more seeds working for us. This amazing phenomenon is called compounding. The number of new seeds we get every season increases as we continue to plant our original 10 and all the new seeds we have since the day we started.
The power of compounding is that if you think enough seasons ahead and have a long enough time horizon, you can repeat this process over and over. With each sunny season, you gain more and more seeds, so as long as you continue to invest every new seed you get. But sometimes it's not always sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes you'll get a bad storm that will tear one of your plants out of the ground. When you choose to plant your seeds, there's always a chance that you'll lose seeds.
Yeah, when it comes to investing, we call this risk. It is always important to remember that great weather in the past does not necessarily mean great weather in the future. At any given time, your number of seeds can go up or down.
What if you're not comfortable with the risk associated with investing? This brings us back to saving. Remember the piggy bank that you trust with your hard-earned $100 bill? What we save in there is safe, and whenever we feel like it, we can pull that same $100 bill out. Saving is a very valuable option if you're not comfortable with the amount of money that you have or the number of seeds that you've planted going down.
So you're watching this video and you're thinking you're not willing to take the risk of having what you invest, your investments, go down. Completely understandable. But let's say you still have a goal. There's something you want to be able to buy in the future 10 years from now.
You choose to save your money, knowing it's safe, and the amount that you have saved is available to you at any time. Nothing more to think about, right? Well, there's one more thing to consider. If you've ever talked to a parent or adult in your life, tell me if this sounds familiar.
When I was a kid, you could buy a hamburger for 50 cents and a package of gum for a nickel. These things cost a lot more money to buy today. it's not necessarily because they taste that much better that we're willing to spend that much more on them. They cost more due to something called inflation.
Inflation is the loss of purchasing power over time. If you could take your $100 bill back into this past that we've all heard about, you could buy loads and loads of hamburgers, many more than you could buy today. Inflation is ongoing, and it's possible that 10 years from now, your $100 bill will buy you fewer hamburgers than it does today. While your money is safe, if you choose to save over a long period of time, it may be the case that you're not able to buy as much as you had hoped when you put your money in your piggy bank.
This is why it's important to set goals from the beginning. By knowing how long we plan to put our money aside for, we can know whether saving or investing is right for us. So, let's summarize what we've learned.
Saving is safe and is putting your money aside for when you need it in the future. If you need your money in the short term, saving may be the better option. If you choose to save, you need to consider inflation, which is the loss of purchasing power over time.
Investing, on the other hand, is putting your money to work so that it can potentially grow. The goal is that it can become more money in the future than what you put away today. Investing is for the long term, and you can benefit from the power of compounding. Although we say potentially grow because investing comes with risk. At any time, your money can go up or down.
Now that we've covered the difference between saving and investing, tune into the next video to learn more about investing.
Thanks for watching.